As a gay Igbo man who is glowy, sexy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, I am one of a kind, polished, sophisticated, fashionable, clever, smart, amazing, fabulous. I am everything that you will never be. I am protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, doing what needs to be done. Happy gay day to all of you. We see you, we love you. I am living my life unapologetically. That term, God punish you, is literally what I hear every day. But you know what? God is never going to ever punish what God created. That God that you are always weaponizing against square people, that God created us. My dear, take your energy and your higi and haga to your government. Okay? Some of you are so confused. I am going to live unapologetically, whether you like it or not. I will continue to be a gay man until the rest of my days. Live my life. I do not need your validation, your permission, your acceptance, or whatever you call it. Take yourself to your church and pray to God and pray for acceptance and peace of mind, because we have it here in abundance. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.